Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it's one that I wasn't expecting. My mum bought me this box and had it sent over directly to me, and it arrived and I'm very excited. I rang her and asked her what it was and she said it's the Good Housekeeping Go Green Edition box. I've just googled it. So the Green Beauty box by Good Housekeeping. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. It's £60 and free postage and packaging, and it's worth over £270, so it's a massive saving. But it says everything in it is organic and natural beauty must-haves, including 8 full-size products, limited edition, free UK track delivery, and it does tell me what's in it. So I can go through if there's not like a leaflet or anything in it, because I haven't opened it yet. It's just here. Yeah, so I'm excited to have a look. I haven't looked what's in the contents yet. I've literally just looked then. We'll just get in and have a look. Oh, it's even lit. Like I said to her, when I rang her, she said there's a lot of stuff in it. I was like, it's a really small box. Like, I've got a glossy box here in comparison, and it's a small, for 18 things in there. It's a little box, and then there's an even littler box inside this box. So this is it. Yeah, it's really heavy. So let's have a little look. Oh, we have got a little leaflet in it, which is nice. So it says Good Housekeeping, the Green Beauty box. I have had a Good Housekeeping box before that Mum bought me, but I think Mum paid 40 for this instead of 60 because she got a deal. If I can find the deal, I'll link that as well. But it says they're vegan, eco-friendly, natural buys. I don't know if that means they're all cruelty-free or not. We'll have to see. But yeah, let's just jump in. So it's very full. Very full. The first thing I've got is a Vita Skin Vitamin C Collagen Boosting Serum, kiwi seeds, sea buckthorn oil and sweet orange oil. 99% natural, 100% vegan. It says this lightweight serum is full of bright skin brightening vitamin C and nourishing omega-3 oils to plump and add radiance to your skin. Where are you? £18. This is full size. Let's have a little look-see at this. I like the packaging. Doesn't smell bad. Some vitamin C stuff stinks. That doesn't. Oh, that's gone a long way. That one little drop has done the whole back of my hand. Yeah, there's no proper smell to it. That's nice. Oh, hopefully that's cruelty free because I've opened it. If it's not, I'll just give it back to my mum and she will use it. Next, I've got Innocence Pure Inspiration Daily Conditioner. Oh, and I've got a shampoo. Nope, they're both daily conditioners. Is that right? Two of the same one. I've got two of the same one. I think I might be meant to have had. Yeah, I think one of these is supposed to be a shampoo and it's not. And one of them is supposed to be an Innocence organic beauty bath. So, because sulfates in shampoo can leave your hair like really dull and full of crap. So they're called like no poo shampoos. That's what I use. And this is meant to be gentle and kind and. Well, I've never heard of this brand. And then the other one is a conditioner with avocado and coconut oil, but they're both the same, so they've made a mistake there. But yeah, they're okay, but you're not going to want to use it because I like to use the same thingies. I'm not going to open this. This is a Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Nourishing Hand Cream. I'll give this back to my mum. She'll like this. Dr. Botanicals is cruelty-free. Free from synthetic fragrance and palm oil, this organic blend of tiare flower and rose flower water and coconut oil nourishes hands and hard-working and frequently sanitised hands. This is £25.49 full size. I've got a Soul Skin Invigorating Citrus Organic Hand and Body Wash. Lemon, lime, mandarin, Mei Chang enriched with glycerin. Ooh. So it's a hand and body wash. You can wash your hands with it or your bod. That is, where are you? £3.20. I've got, What are you? Organic. What the hell are you? I can't even. Perfect Eyes 3-in-1 Rejuvenating Eye Cream. Looks like a giant lipstick or a foundation. Modern science meets Ayurvedic know-how in this antioxidant-packed eye cream that tackles puffiness, fine lines and dark circles. £42.95p. Christ. I'm not going to open this. I'm going to give this one back to my mum just because I have got a ridiculous amount of eye creams and I do not need another one, but my mum will definitely use that. I've got a John Masters Organic Leave-In Conditioning Mist. Ooh, I hope you're cruelty-free. This is Organic Botanicals deliver a dose of volume and shine with this instant defrizzing used to smooth and nourish all hair types. That looks lovely. That is £8. Got some from Cheeky Panda. Bamboo pocket tissues, 99p. They're cute. Pit Balm. Someone gave me one of these the other day. Organic deodorant with a hint of grapefruit and oils. This is cruelty free and it's like a deodorant without all the crap in it. And this is £4.99. Just 6 ingredients make up this magic that is Pit Balm, the UK's first natural refillable deodorant. 5 fragrances, variations online. It's refillable, is it? I think this must be a small one. It smells amazing. I haven't used my other one yet, but I will definitely give that a go. I've got Nails Ink. Base coat to cover all bases with. Ooh. 21 and free, cruelty free, kale infused, vegan. It's got a wooden lid. I love that. Just my nails, the kids painted them earlier and it's this peel off. It's gross. They've just like done my nails with it earlier. My toes are the same, they're hideous. This is add a glossy sheen to bare nails with this kale infused treatment. Under polish it makes the colour last longer. Kudos to Nails Ink for swapping plastic caps for recyclable FSC wood. I love that. Oh, I can't get it open though. So, oh, it's just a pull off, isn't it? Get off. So yeah, it's just got a little wooden lid. Cute. Bella Pierre Mineral Blush. I'm not going to use this. Nor my mum, because neither of us need to be any pinker than we are. Flattering beige pink blusher can be buffed delicately onto skin or built up in layers for more intensity. The loose natural pigment is long lasting so the colour stays put. I'll give that to one of our friends. Something from Ren, Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. Ooh. In a tube made from 50% post-consumer recycled plastic with 100% post-consumer recycled plastic. This gentle cleanser melts away makeup, SPF and pollution. Doesn't tell us much about the actual product, but the packaging is good. £10. My mum would be having a shit fit if she could see all these prices. Vita Liberata Body Blur. Oh, I've never used this. I think my friend Michelle likes this. I might send this to her. This is £9. And it is the go-to brand when you want a flawless looking golden tan instantly and it washes off. So it's like fake tan that you just rub on. This is in the colour Latte. And then it just washes off when you have a shower. Garnier, I'm like 90% sure that they're not cruelty free. But this is a micellar pad. So this might be. Reusable eco pads. I'm all for that. I've got hundreds of these kind of things. I absolutely love them to take my makeup off with. And then you just chuck them in the wash. So that's nice. How much are they? £8.99. An Aveda Thickening Tonic. Aveda's cruelty free. This is natural extracts of aloe, corn and wheat protein build fullness and long-lasting volume in fine hair. Plus the manufacturing process of this styling spray is powered by wind energy. We love that. £9. Got a Balance Me Hyaluronic Plumping Mist. Ooh. Oh, nearly undid it. Oh, it smells good. That's nice. That says anything with hyaluronic is good. Pineapple extract brightens, chamomile calms, and low molecule weight hyaluronic acid plumps the skin. Vegan friendly with a made in the UK with a recyclable cap and bottle. That's lovely. There is a load of discount codes and stuff, so if I could link anything down below, if I get time to, I'll add all the links for you guys, where you can get some discount off all the brands in here. They literally just put them underneath. It's nothing to do with me, but Cooking, moisturising and tightening serum with hexapeptides. These are cruelty free. I love their packaging. It's very busy to read, so it's quite difficult to see exactly what it is, but I don't know, I think it's quite smart, but it is hard to read. Aloe vera soothes while moisture boosting hyaluronic acid plumps the skin. Intensely hydrating serum from this cool Danish brand Cooking, which is famed for its natural organic formulations and transparent labelling. So they literally put everything on the bottle, but there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different little boxes for you to read on this tiny bottle alone. And then the last thing is a slow aging essential facial essence. Never heard of that before. Plant-based ingredients and plastic-free packaging are 2 reasons why we love slow aging essentials brimming with antioxidants. This rejuvenating oil gives long-lasting glowy skin. I've never heard of them. £15. Oh my god. Wow, that smells amazing. Oh, I hope you're cruelty-free because you smell incredible. That literally smells like sweets. I'm going to use that tonight. That sounds absolutely amazing. I'm going to do some more research on that. It says apply a small amount to the face after cleansing morning and night using 6 to 20 firm upward massage strokes. Well, I thought it was a really good box. As I said, it is worth over £270 and you can get it for 60, or if you're jammy like my mum and I can find you the link, you can get it for 40. But I'll link it down below for you guys. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I've got merch. It arrived today. Some of it's being sent back because it's a bit crap, but the other half of it is amazing. And I put it on my Instagram. And then, yeah, I'm just very excited about it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.